Hello, Richard here from EagleSix Airsoft. We have rebuilt this sopmod M4, and we just want to do a function test just to sort of prove it working before it goes back to the customer. We've put a gate tighten MOSFET in here to obviously increase the trigger response, and obviously I don't think it was working. Some kind of a switch issue before. Obviously rebuild. Obviously we've increased the strength of the spring to be running on obviously up to the limit, on 2.8 ammo. So that's obviously we've done no hop changes. So I mean, you can run heavier than 2.8s, but I probably recommend 2.8s or 3s. So just because we haven't done any changes hop wise, we just want to demonstrate it working. If I had a charged battery. There we go, so all tested working, and we hope you enjoy. Thank you.